The center on Tuesday announced revised prices of COVID-19 vaccines for private hospitals, fixing Covishield shot at 780 rupees and Covaxin jab at 1410 rupees and 1145 per Sputnik V dose. The new price is according to the revised guidelines issued by the Health Ministry. The statement also showed the 5% GST rates imposed on the vaccine doses, that is 30 rupees for Covishield, 60 rupees for Covaxin and 47.40 to 47 rupees for Sputnik V. CoWIN website will be showing the validations to ensure that the private COVID vaccination centers do not exceed the maximum price declared by the government. The website will reset the prices declared by the private CVCs to the maximum value. The southwest monsoon set in over several parts of Maharashtra, including Mumbai, on June 9, the India Meteorological Department said. The weather department added that monsoon is likely to advance into more parts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, some parts of Odisha, and more parts of West Bengal during the next 2 days. Mumbai's Kolaba and Santa Cruz recorded 65.4 mm and 50.4 mm rainfall respectively between 8:30 am on Tuesday and 5:30 am on Wednesday. South Mumbai has been witnessing heavy rainfall since late Tuesday night. Entire stretch of Breach Candy has been waterlogged and footpath 2 has been submerged. Rainfall also caused low visibility on Eastern Freeway. All jobs in the Union Territory of Ladakh have been reserved for the residents of the region according to an order issued on Tuesday. No person shall be qualified for appointment to the service unless the person is a resident of the Union Territory of Ladakh, reads the order issued by Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur. The order says this rule shall not apply to persons allotted service in the Union Territory under the provisions of Section 89(2) of the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019 or such rules as may be prescribed by the administration. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Secretary Anup Chandra Pandey has been appointed as Election Commissioner of India. A notification published in the Gazette of India dated June 8 said, in pursuance of Clause 2 of Article 324 of the Constitution, the President is pleased to appoint Shri Anup Chandra Pandey, retired IAS officer, UP cadre 1984, as the Election Commissioner with effect from the date he assumes the office. Anup Chandra Pandey will join Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra and Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar in the top executive body of the Election Commission of India. The three election commissioners hold office for a period of 6 years or till they attain the age of 65. Following widespread uproar over the alleged deaths of 22 COVID-19 patients from lack of oxygen at Shri Paras Hospital, Agra, the district administration sealed the hospital on Tuesday and a case under the Epidemic Diseases Act was registered against the hospital owner for spreading misinformation. The case came to light when a video surfaced of Shri Paras Hospital, Agra owner Dr. Arinjay Jain describing a so-called mock drill in which oxygen supply was shut down for 5 minutes. In the viral video, Dr. Jain mentions that 22 patients showed severe hypoxia symptoms during the mock drill and their hands and feet turned blue. It is alleged that these 22 patients later died and their deaths were covered up.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.